at a clinic in Tijuana, Mexico. I am with
Maggie Mercier. I'm from Massachusetts.
Okay, now Massachusetts, that one of my favorite bosses, my very first boss, he taught me about iced coffee.
Iced coffee. Yeah, you got to get a good iced coffee.
Okay, so you came 3,000 miles to come over here. Now, what was your experience like? What did you come over for?
I came over to be a support person for my sister who's having major dental things done, and I came in not knowing anything about the holistic care clinic here, American Biodental, or your chiropractic clinic. I came in and I listened on Monday and I watched and I decided to get the full workup, and the things that I learned that were going on inside my body, I had no idea because I was living with chronic pains, symptoms, issues that I just deal with. And I had my first session yesterday, and it was amazing. And then I had my first adjustment with you this morning. I had a second adjustment with you today, and I'm ready to sleep for the first time. I feel very, very, very.
Okay, is this cool? Okay, so many times, I mean, people say, oh, aches and pains. I get people in their 20s that say, yeah, I'm not a teenager anymore. No, your body's smart. It gives symptoms for a reason. If you listen to it, it lasts.
Right.
And I know your sister is really cool too, by the way.
She is. She just came out from the first part of her dental procedure, and we were both in tears because of the difference and the significant, and they're not even done yet. She's going to spend a day in the chair tomorrow, and the dental things that we're learning about what's in our mouths, how it affects the poisons in our chest, and and the thermographs. The technology here is, it's first class.
Everything.
Amazing.
One of the dentists, okay, he talks about teeth like I talk about the central nervous system. Mm-hmm. He says teeth are alive. You got to take care of them. Okay.
Yeah, every organ
is affected by it.
Right.
So so you're not just looking at symptoms. You looked at your body to see how it's been adapting.
And I was horrified.
But now?
I'm anxious to go forward. I have gotten a couple of your books, and I've been reading today, and it's amazing what your body can do to heal itself, given the right tools, and not knowing that you have the capability to do that. Listening to Western medicine and allopathic medicine, you don't understand that you have the capability to do it with the right tools. So a little bit of knowledge, and you chop wood and carry water, you're going to have results. And 2 adjustments today, and I'll be back in the morning for 4 more tomorrow.
If you understand that we're in a medical system now that takes a symptom, joint pain, whatever, and they give you a drug for it, those drugs actually build up to toxic levels in the system. I've never seen anyone suffering from drug deficiency. And it's not that there's not a place. Like when I was hit by a car, man, morphine, baby, that's it. But if you're taking a blood pressure, cholesterol, or type 2 diabetes drugs, those are stress responses. Get the underlying problem solved.
After my second adjustment today, I was over, my sister was getting a drip, and I had my blood pressure checked. And it was right back to where it's supposed to be.
Yeah, maybe. Okay. Now, what can you tell people? Because people are stuck in the allopathic model. I mean, empathic model.
Scary. It's scary because that's the norm. Yeah. Western medicine is the norm in the United States. So I think that you have to trust yourself. And once you trust yourself that you know what to do or what not to do, you're going to make some different choices. Mm-hmm. I wasn't planning on doing anything when I came here on Monday. I was just going to be here for the week, lie by the pool. I haven't been by the pool once. I've been in here. I've gotten blood tests. I've gotten live blood cultures. I've gotten a thermal scan. I've gotten x-rays. They x-rayed, the chiropractic team here x-rayed my shoulders, my knees, my hips, everything, and showing me just how off kilter I am. And I thought I was fairly healthy. I don't do any pharmaceuticals now, but in the past I had. And eating, it's making me look at food a whole lot differently of what it's actually doing to my body and your environmental place and situations, and if you're at a computer all day and what it's actually doing to you. And you showed me that today. And when I got off the table the first time, I was like, oh, I feel really good. And then I got off the table the second time, and I was like, wow, okay. I mean, my hip is better, my shoulders. So I would tell people, give yourself the opportunity to make yourself better and to be able to, if you're going to be here and live, you might as well live a whole lot comfortable and do what you should do to bring that out of yourself. Yeah.
I mean, trust your body. It's smart. If you've lost faith in the religion of medicine over the last 4 years, I know there's a lot of acolytes that are no longer opting for those type of procedures.
Right.
Trust your body. It's built by God. It's smart.
Right. And it's doing amazing things already. And I'm just a couple hours into actually having the physical part of it. But the testing part of it was very awakening, and it was very beneficial to making my brain think a little bit differently about what I'm doing on a day-to-day basis. And I think that that's a big piece of it, because you just think, oh, it's fine, I'll just live with it. Oh, it's okay, I'll just live with it. And you don't have to.
Yeah. Take care of yourself. God bless you all. Stay healthy, my friends.
Thank you.
You rock. Oh, my God.